What's up guys? So in this video we are going to do a ClickMagick review. So ClickMagick is a tracking tool and I'm going to go over it and I'm going to show you, is it really worth the money? Should you invest money in this tracking tool? So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money. Okay, so please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So first things first, guys, ClickMagick, if you would like a 14-day free trial, there's a link down below. Go and check it out. Okay, so first things first, there are a lot of things on ClickMagick. You need to go and watch a video. They explain you everything. So one of the best things I would tell you is, so there are a lot of things. One is you could you have real-time reports, okay, which is always lagging in other tracking softwares. Or you could do split testing, you could track your phone sales, you could have click shield rules. So this is the one which I really like. I hate bot clicks. Okay, so when you run an ad, there are a lot of bot clicks, and with ClickMagick you could reduce bot clicks or just block all the spam clicks. And then one of the things is affiliate marketing tool. The most easiest is using ClickMagick with affiliate marketing, okay, because they give you everything over there. The sub IDs, it's much more complicated, but then they make it really easy. So again, just read, and there are a lot of things, and they have boosted as well. Okay, so some of the things I don't know it's there or no, but they have made sure that it's there. Again, it's their marketing. They want everyone to purchase this thing. So that's done. Now let's get into ClickMagick. So again, once you log in, this is your dashboard, guys. And guys, if you want an in-depth tutorial, I've made a complete tutorial about this. It's a 30-minute long video. But again, this is very simple, guys. One is campaign tracking and link tracking. So why do you use ClickMagick? For link tracking. So let's say you're promoting an affiliate product. Just create a new link, paste the link over here. Okay. Once the link is pasted, then you could choose your affiliate. So this is the one which I was talking, where everything is automatically there. So if you just choose ClickBank affiliate, automatically the sub ID is added, and just you can create a link and you can name everything, and it's very easy. And also, for example, let's say you want to add your pixels over here, whether it be your Facebook pixel, Google pixel, you can add over here. You can update the cost, so it can calculate. Let's say you make money with this link, you can put the traffic cost as well, cost per click, cost per sale. And then again, you can exclude certain countries. So usually tier 1 countries are the best countries to make money. You can exclude tier 2 countries, Europe countries. And there are a lot of filters as well. And there is this where you could say max clicks and referral and skip URL check. So there are a lot of technical things as well, which I don't usually use. This I use the filters, or I use the geo, and I add the pixels. Okay, so this is just for link tracking, where you're direct linking. So right now we are on campaigns. So guys, one more thing I would like to add. So I'm doing a case study where I show you how you can make money online. So the link is down below as well for that case study. Go and check it out. The next thing is campaigns. Again, campaigns is where you have your own landing page. So just let me give you an example. So again, when you are using landing page, so this is one of my landing page, where when you click over here, it will go to the offer. So again, you can track this as well on campaigns. So if I just refresh, so again, you can sort by last click, first click, linear. So this is much more complicated. Let it be on last click. And then again, Yavar Khan, and then I can go on UTM performance report. So it will show me from which source is it, from which content. So let's say I got a sale from YouTube. It will show me the revenue over here, how much is the profit, how much is the ad spend. So everything is much more sorted for you. So let's say, for example, I go on campaigns tool and then update ad spend. So total amount I spent was 1. So it will update everything over here, that 0. Cost per click is 0.50. My profit is -1. Everything is calculated. And the best thing is the reports, guys. I can check conversion by time, traffic analysis report. So AE is United Arab Emirates. So these are the 2 clicks. So you can sort by which country, daily breakdown. So everything is easy. And the best thing about it is, guys, just you can, there's a help chat support as well. So usually on some certain times there's a live chat support where you can just directly go and talk to them. And if you just want a very in-depth tutorial, you can do this. And if you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, there's a link down below as well. So if you would ask me, is ClickMagick worth it? So I would say, just try it for 14 days. Okay, if it makes you money, keep it. If it doesn't make you money, just don't use it. So I think so that's it for video. That's it for today's video. I keep it very simple. I keep it very short, and I keep it very straightforward. And I think so that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.